Hello guys. Now, now let's check it out. How we people are going to create this particular admin panel we have created. Now we need to make sure that we need to create an admin panel which is morely customizable administration panel which was given by the Django. So no need to develop the administration panel as of now. So now I'm going to create my particular admin panel which is there in my particular products. So let us go to our particular products. In the products, this class is continued in the previous session. Just if you're not done with this, just go and check it out in the previous session over there and just open the applications, and you do have a configuration and you do have an admin. Now we are going to work with an administration part. In this particular administration part, we are going to create our particular classes are going to create. So let us create our particular class in this, that is class, the keyword known as product. I'm going to take it as now one of the product admin, where I have to create my particular class name, that is product admin. And in this particular product admin, I need to take it as an admin dot model admin. So this is a one of the class. This is a one of the parent, one of the child class, and as well as admin is my particular model. From that particular model, I'm going to implement. I have taken that class name known as a model admin actually. So once if you have taken this particular thing, now we have to start writing some kind of a piece of code in our particular in our particular list. Now we have to create a customized list that we have to create, that is list underscore display. So let us go and display some kind of IDs basically. So before going that particular thing, we need to run our particular PyCharm. So let us run and check it out. How does it look like? Python manage.py, there is a run server. Just click on that and just your particular server is running perfectly. Oops, it says that it says that there was no XAMPP is on. So just open the XAMPP. On the XAMPP, once if your XAMPP is on, just click on two. Both the things has to be open and just make it as live. And your server port number has to be activated. Now it's active. So now let's make it our server run. Now it's got running our particular server. Yeah, it's perfect. Now let's open a particular 127 dot our particular project, that is admin. So once the admin is there, my username is Raja. In the previous class, we have created a super admin known as Raja, and now we have created one of the password, that is welcome at the rate 123. Just click on. We got that particular products, and if you click on this particular product, it is not fully customized. That's you people can see just 44 product 3, 2 product 2 product 1. Now I want an entire list of my particular products which are there in the form of a tables actually. So to create the particular list display, I need to add the particular display over here like this, like, that is ID. I do want an ID, and I want a name. You can take it as a name. Separate with comma, I want price. I have taken as price, comma. You want to take is published. Its price is, it has to be a price. The price, and here it should be in a published is published. Separate with comma. Separate with comma. We need to make it as a created date. So what are the created date? You have to created underscore editor. So these particular details were taken from my particular model. So in the model, I have created name, price, description, and I do have a created is published, and as a created based upon this particular model, we have a creating my particular administration panel over here. Once if you are done with that particular thing, now let's check it out. How does it look like? So just go to your particular panel and just refresh it up. Oh, it doesn't change because you didn't even call this particular thing in the administration dot site dot register. So separate with comma, you need to call your particular class name known as product admin. So this particular product admin is coming from our particular class name, and you have just registered to your admin site. Once if you have a register, you just click on that. Automatically your fields are were readily fixed. All that particular parts were fixed now. So now we people has to create a particular source of in this administration. We need to make some kind of a things as in a proper structure manner. We need to arrange. So we have to arrange each and everything in a proper structure. So for that, we need to add some kind of what we call like ID and name based upon the list display links based upon the name. So let us take it out. Let us take that is a list display underscore links. That is nothing but an ID upper with comma, that is names or name, whatever you want to take. You need to create that particular name. Based upon that particular name, automatically ID and as well as a name will get the links. Because I'm not getting this particular product. If I click on this particular product, it is not going to navigate there. So I need to click on this particular navigate to do that particular thing. Just add this particular piece of code. Add this particular piece of code, because ID and name, if you don't have this particular ID, just remove and just check it out, and just check it out over here. You will get only for the ID. When you click on the ID, you are getting a product details, but here I need to get some kind of details that which I have to click on the product one, product two. Automatically my product details has to be on. So for that purpose, I need to click on this particular name. I have to take this particular thing as name over here. Once if it's done, that's well and good. Now we people have to add another module. I mean another particular display that is known as a filter. So based upon the filter, how does it act as a filter? We'll have a look into that particular thing. Now I want to take it as a list. I want to take it as a list display or list filter. You have a list filter. Take the list filter. In this particular list filter, I want to add a multiple values like price, comma, created date, created at the underscore at the rate, that is created date. So once if you created the filter, automatically you can get the customized filters over here. Just check it out. You got your particular filters. That is based upon the price, based upon that particular dates you are getting this particular today and the past day and this month and as well as this year. So based upon this particular thing, we are getting customized filter also. We are assigned. We got this particular customized filter. Now next one, we do have another one. Now we people can also add another particular model based upon the category we have created. Now we need to add a next one is price. Like you people can go with a price or you can go with a created date. Take any one particular thing, just take with a date or a price and just refresh. You got only the price filter. Based upon that, you can take that particular price filter also. That does not make any particular problem over there. Once if you're done, now we people has to create automatically updated. We have to take it as an automatically updated one. So over here we need to take it as an is published. There's editable kind of a change. So for that you need to take it as a list editable equals to which particular module you want to update. That is underscore published is published is underscore is published. Once if it's published, just make it as a separate with comma because it has to accept as a tuple. So once if it's accepting as a tuple, that's well and good. Just go over there and just refresh it up, and you got this particular editable thing. So once if you click, you can make it as an enable or else you can make it as a disable. Just click on the save and just click on this particular thing and click on the save. So based upon that requirement, you people can see the published stuff over here, the customized things that you people can add and as well as remove, or you can make some kind of an update based upon the requirement. We can do that particular thing. Now we can add a search field also. Search is nothing but where I need to take one particular search box like YouTube, or you people can go with a Swiggy or you people watching with iBoma or any kind of Amazon or Netflix, when you people are searching for a movie, you need to type some kind of a text over there, right? So over here, we do have a one of the predefined search fields. Also, we do have that particular search fields. So let us see how does it work in our particular search field. So let us take that particular search field, that is a search fields. So what are the fields you require based upon the search that you have to take? That is a name, comma, that is price. I need to take it as a price. Based upon the name and price, it has to search my particular thing. Just refresh. You got a search box over here. Suppose if you want to enter any kind of a product, take it as a product, city product, just click on enter, or product one, just click on enter. I got only the one. And if you want to enter the 444, there's automatically you're getting a product 2, which is a product amount. And if you want to enter the 888, just click on the particular thing, you are getting a product 3, which is in a 8880. This is what we are going to get. Such a kind of an items has been shown. So this is what we have a fully customized things, and when we want to click on that particular thing, automatically every particular process you can customize your particular Django administration part will be given based upon the requirement. Now just click on the products and just check it out. Based upon this particular thing, we need to get the based upon the ordering the values. It has to come based upon our particular sequence. Now if you people can see, automatically it's showing a higher value, the last product value, but we need to get from sequence like 1 2 3 4 5 6 in a proper order. So we have to take the particular proper order based upon the name or based upon the price, or order based upon the ID, whatever you want to take, you people can take based upon that particular requirement. Now I want to arrange each and every particular item based upon my particular ordering based upon the price. So let me check that particular thing. Go over here and just check it out. That is ordering, that is price. Based upon that, you have to make it as a comma to accept that as a list kind of thing, and just open this particular thing and just refresh. Automatically you are getting lesser number, higher number, next higher number, next almost higher number. So based upon this 1 2 3 4, automatically the values are fixed based upon the higher numbers. So this is how it's going to be used with that particular values. Suppose if you want to do that particular thing, just click on that particular things. You do have a price, right? Just click on that higher value to the lower value, and based upon that particular things also, it is going to be acceptable based upon the requirement. So do remember, when you're doing that particular thing, it is going to sort out based upon that particular required fields. So now let's see. How does it work. How does it work? Next one, we do have another one. So we do have another one known as a file choose, or we're getting any updated one. I hope you people understood till the search now. So now let us see. Now let us see. Now after completion of this particular thing, now we have to apply our particular exclude description. Exclude the description. It means we don't require any kind of a description, or it should not show any kind of a description. That's just you want to make that particular exclude. So just make that particular thing based upon the sizes also. So do remember, we have to provide exclude description part. If you require, you can add description part also based upon the requirement on the top of the list to get display that particular thing. Okay. So this was a major topic that we have to make in this particular fields actually. So once if it's done, that is description. If you want to make it as a description, as we don't have a description part, just skip it out. We don't require any description based upon that, because when we are clicking on the particular thing, it automatically gets our particular description kind of nothing actually. So no need to create all these particular things, guys. So this is what we have to have a fully customized things that we have a worker in our particular product management. Just click on that particular product. You will get this particular products based upon your particular categories, name wise, and as well as ID wise. So this is what we are customized our particular things. So do remember. Now we'll